What if I told you the trick that we're gonna try today is a trick that I hurt myself years back and I haven't done it since. And we're at this beautiful flat spot that has crazy kick out. The last time we were here, we lasted 10 minutes. So the pressure between not getting hurt and not getting kicked out is on today. Celebrating my birthday this Friday on October 11th and celebrating Flatland Day. Yes, my birthday in Flatland. Last year, I established Flatland Day on my birthday in order to help celebrate Flatland's journey. I started riding flat 10 plus years ago, and I'm super passionate about it, as you guys know. I'll be giving away one of my signature decks that I rode and modified for Flatland. But more on that later. Let's warm up and let's get this trick. There's a few tricks to warm up, and this morning was leg day, so the combination of a gym session and a flat session making my legs shake. I think I just want to get straight into the trick. Before I get into it and before I try it, I'll let you know what happened and how I hurt myself. I was trying to do this trick. I was trying to pump this trick a few years back in my backyard. And when riding Flatland, you don't have the best posture because you're all hunched over, you're pumping, you're twisting, a lot of twisting in the spine. You guys know I hurt my back 2 years ago, and it was a science project and trying to figure out how to recover. I was in an injury loop all of 2023 because the doctors couldn't tell me how to handle it. 2024 has been huge progression. I now feel like a new normal. Obviously, every time you get hurt, when you heal, it'll never feel like how you did before you got hurt, but I do feel really strong and healthy, which is good. The trick I was trying was a death truck, and I was trying to pump a death truck. And I remember the last time I've done a death truck, no hander, was around this time. And I haven't done this trick since. No, I'm not gonna try to pump it today because I'm trying to stay away from that trick. It doesn't really work too well when you do try to pump it. It's not really worth risking my back for one trick that may not be the healthiest to try. I do wanna do a no-handed death truck. It is a trick that I used to do all the time living in New York, and I haven't done it since then. Been years. Let's set up the camera and let's see if we can get it. There's no way I just did that in 4 tries. Or 3. I wasn't even counting. I was expecting to be here for like an hour at least. What the hell? Okay, that just worked out. Why did that work out? There are certain tricks that I know I don't have on lock, and that is definitely one of them. And it's weird when you don't try something for a long time and then you do it really fast. I don't get it. Maybe I've just been thinking about the trick and just been practicing in my mind over the last few months. Very strange. We made it. Obviously, it's a trick that I need to get better at. It'd be nice to do them and spin them and hold them. And I mean, the thing about Flatland is endless. You can always improve, which I love. As far as the giveaway, I'm gonna play a little vertical video that I put on Instagram and YouTube Shorts. And this video is basically promoting Flatland Day, AKA my birthday. Over the years, I've dedicated to the progression of Flatland. I remember being the only one trying to pioneer this discipline, and the passion that's driven me to be creative and explore this discipline and create all these tricks, do these worlds first. It's what I live for. I love the feeling of new tricks. I love inventing tricks, which helps show other riders what's possible on a scooter. A dream of mine with this whole scooter career thing is just to be remembered and to inspire other people to push and do the same thing. I would love to be 100 years old and see all these impossible Flatland tricks come from this moment, this very beginning, the last 10 years.
I bought a ticket, but the train didn't stop. Ended up walking all the way, singing ooh la la. I made it home and put the radio loud. It was just static, but it still turned me on.
In order to win the giveaway you guys have just seen, I just want all of you to go outside or inside and ride flat. tag me in the post, hashtag my name and hashtag Flatland Day, and just have fun and express yourself. Be creative. There's no limitations. I know a lot of you don't have local skate parks, good weather, or good street spots. That is the blessing of Flatland, to be able to do it anywhere. And that's why I want to have Flatland Day every single year. And to celebrate, I'll be giving away my signature deck that is customized for Flatlands. And I'll be looking at all the posts and tricks from these hashtags over the next week, and I'll pick a lucky winner to deliver this deck to. I'm also very excited to see all the tricks, including my own, for Flatland Day. Thanks for being a part of this. It's a blessing to be alive another year and plenty more to go. And let's keep pushing. For the final trick of today's session, since the other one worked out really fast, I want to do a death truck and drop it into a upside down death truck. I want to practice holding a trick that I used to do a lot more often at the Globe, and that is the full version of death truck by holding it all the way down here. Today is crazy. That was first try. This is cool. Some days just work out. The last video that I did last week, so many times I film these videos and it takes me hours just to do one trick, but I mean, I don't know, I'm taking it. Between all the success in today's video, we did a trick we haven't done in a while, and we did another trick we haven't done in a while, and I'm excited to celebrate Flatland Day with all of you. There's no excuses. You don't need a Flatland scooter. Whatever scooter you have, it's still possible to just have fun on the ground. Looking forward to seeing all of you celebrate Flatland Day. Thank you for watching this video. Had such a great session. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, making videos at least twice a week, and looking forward to seeing what you have to say in the comments about these videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.